Here I've got HonorView 20 and let me show you how to click credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to select the settings, then scroll down and pick security and privacy. It's over here. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list and tap on more settings. Now go to encryption and credentials. And here you will notice delete all credentials over here. So simply click on this icon and now confirm that you would like to delete all credentials. Just make sure that you want to do it because this operation cannot be undone, but if you are, click on delete. Now draw the pattern if you have one, and as you can see, credential storage has been deleted. So that's it. This is how you can reset all credentials. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.